Welcome back to our channel where today we'll be discussing how to calculate the mean of individual data. First, gather all the individual data points that you want to calculate the mean for. Next, add up all the individual data points to get the total sum. Then, count how many individual data points you have in total. After that, divide the total sum by the number of individual data points to calculate the mean. For example, let's say we have the following data points: 5, 7, 9, 12, and 15. Adding these numbers together gives us a total sum of 48. Since we have 5 data points, we divide 48 by 5 to get a mean of 9.6. Remember, the mean is the average of all the data points you have. It is a useful measure to understand the central tendency of your dataset. Calculating the mean helps you get a sense of the typical value in your data. And that's how you calculate the mean of individual data points. Simple and straightforward. Be sure to practice this method with different sets of data to master the skill. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on data analysis. Thanks for watching.